In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to clear activity log on Facebook. Go to your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Now go to your profile and tap on this three dot next to edit profile. Here tap on activity log and here tap on your Facebook activity and select the category, which category you want to delete or clear. If you want to clear your Facebook comments and reactions activity, then tap on manage comments and reaction and then tap on filters. Tap on categorize, select likes and reactions, and then here you will find this select all option. Just tap on select all to select all of your activity log. Now just tap on remove and your all Facebook like and reactions activity will be removed. After that, tap on this filter again, tap on categories, and now select comments. And here you'll find all of your Facebook comments activities. So you have to scroll down to load all of your activities. Once you successfully load, scroll up and tap on all to select all of your activity. Tap on remove. This will remove your all Facebook comments activity. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.